into town to go fishing and hoping that my Dyna gets some like hits. That'd be cool. By fishing, I mean still fishing for street races. Like, I'm always doing that in the background of every video, so expect it to happen at least some point. It's alright, I don't ever show you guys anything new, and it's just this area, but every time I try to get out, I just have nothing to like do except cruise this area, because I'm still at the point in life where just cruising to burn gas is fun and what I like to do. Some guys in a work truck went by and the passenger moaned at me, so I haven't really quite recovered from that yet. So if I don't say a whole lot, I apologize ahead of time. I'm just trying to think of like funny things to do or interesting things to do. Alright, doing the speed limit's getting old. Showing the cool kids over here and speeding. Alright, so it smells like burning clutch over here. I really hope it's not me. It's always my biggest fear. Even if I'm nice to the bike and I could have a brand new clutch and I'd be like, damn, is that me? That's just my that's my fear, you know. I smell anything automotive that's not smelling right and it's like, oh, that's gotta be me, right? It is also lightly sprinkling, so you all might not get a long video today because I've been running through this goddamn sprinkle off and on. I don't want to wreck my camera, but it's also waterproof, but I've also literally removed the battery door and put it into a media mod, so it should be fine, right? But I don't feel like risking it too much. And then you get water droplets on the lens and you can't really see very well, and then I hate myself for not cleaning it off more often. That gets okay, it's getting better. No, it's getting worse. I lied. I said the wrong words. I'm sorry, guys. It's getting way worse. So I don't really know where I'm going. I'm just kind of out cruising. This is what I do. I burn gas and think it's fun. Oh shit, yes, we're raining in heaven now. Okay. Hold up, guys. Okay, now we're back down to controlled. Shit, I want to race that Subaru. Fucking A. Okay, that Hyundai is that a Ridgeline? Like a brand new fucking Ridgeline? That shit's disgusting. I'm gonna stop in at Shooter Supply. If they're even open. They're not open, what's the point stopping at the gun store, you know? I can't see shit past this truck. Oh, we're going arrow. Now if I get hit, it's their fault. And we're raining again. Oh my god. Why? Why? That's Hackley. That's not where Shooter Supply is, so I gotta go straight and then hang a right somewhere, maybe somewhere over the rainbow. I don't fucking know. I've seen it once in person going by. For sale? What the fuck's for sale? A little stretch of land? Look at all them turkeys. I don't know what the fuck I'm going on about. I'm just talking. I'm just speeding too. Shit. Mini golfing would be fun. That'd be a cool place to go to, right? Except I don't know how fucking much it is or how in the living hell you get in there and pay to get in there, dude. Like, I am smart in certain aspects, but not socially like that, so I don't know. See, this is where I find cops because I'm not paying attention to my speedometer. I'm going 40. I'm supposed to go like 35, 30. Ooh, I smell that burning clutch smell again. Oh, machine shop. Ha 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 ha. That's why. Metal on metal. Somebody's not running enough lube. See, look, there's a cop. What did I say? What did I say? There's a cop right there. Like I said, there's another cop right there. Whoa! That lone car you saw way out in the middle of the Boo-Foo parking lot was a fucking cop. Okay, we're slowing down here. I get it. I was on the line. I know. I was trying to get shit out of my eye. I'm sorry. I don't even get that close to the line unless I can tell there's enough room for me, just in case. Pretty sure they're open. I hope they're open, man. Because I've never been in there. I know that they've got ammo for a lot of shit. Supposedly have ammo for a lot of shit. Whether or not they do once I get up here, though, is another story. Because I know I was looking for 5.56 for a long time, and now I've got like close to 300 rounds, if not more of it, so I'm not too concerned anymore. Which I know 300 rounds is only like 10 magazines, but I don't shoot it that much, so it's not like I'm, you know, in need of a fucking army's worth of ammo. But there she be. Oh, they're closed. I'm still turning in here though. Oh, god damn, this is rough. It's very rough. I don't even know what the fuck. I'm not gonna read that. Ah, son of a bitch. Oh, that one's better. Oh, that one looks rough. I'll use this smaller driveway. That's sand. I don't have traction in sand in my boots. My GoPro looks pretty dry still, so I should be safe, right? Right? It's a good thing I stopped. There's a fucking cop right there. Or is that parking enforcement? Oh, this is a fucking bitch-made cop. It's a fake cop. Fuck you, parking meter maids. I've not once been hit by a meter maid yet, because I don't park in those areas, so I'm just talking shit.